What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing y'all another video. You know what time it is. Make sure you comment, subscribe, like, all that good stuff down below. Make sure you guys comment any video ideas, any questions you may have for me. I'll make sure to respond to you in a timely fashion. So, in this video, we're going to teach you guys 3 things I wish I knew when I first started my detailing business, all right? So stay tuned, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's jump into the video. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing that I want to go ahead and give you guys advice on is going to be to focus on marketing, right? So rule number 1, you need customers to make money, you need money to buy tools, you need money to buy products, you need money to upgrade equipment. So if you don't have any customers that are paying for you and your services, then you don't actually have a real detailing business. So you need to focus on marketing, right? So a few examples are maybe taking pictures of before and afters, maybe taking videos of before and afters, posting that on social media, posting it on your Google My Business page, just posting it everywhere you can, so that way you can put yourself out there. That's a part of marketing as well. When I say marketing, I don't just mean one specific thing. You need to do the overall picture, right? Branding, that's marketing. My hat, my shirt, it's all marketing. So you need to make sure that you're putting yourself out there. I'm not saying go out there and start buying shirts and hats, but what I am saying is to make sure that you're putting yourself out there so people know what you're doing and how you're doing it, right? So when you are posting these pictures and videos, make sure you tell the client, maybe in the caption, maybe in the video, tell them why you're doing what you're doing and what are the benefits of doing it, right? Most people just post the before and after picture and just put the card description and stuff like that. So you want to make sure you're putting, information, actually teaching clients and actually, putting knowledge behind what you're posting and not just putting, pictures out there and stuff like that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this wash here, and I just wanted to say the second tip. So the second tip that I wish I knew when I started was, it's not so much about how many clients you can get, it's about how many you can actually keep, right? So when you actually do, get your marketing going and stuff like that, and you start booking clients, it's all about how many people you can get to return to you and ask you for your services, right? So one thing that I highly recommend is you guys start, incorporating maintenances into your business, maybe monthly, maybe weekly. This right here is a bi-weekly client. We come here every 2 weeks. So it's just very important that you guys have those specific clients that are loyal to you and they always call you back, and they'll be more likely to refer you to other people, and their word of mouth holds a lot of power. So it's not so much about getting 100 cards, it's so much about getting 50 and keeping those 50 on a monthly or weekly or yearly basis. You want people to come back to you, and it all starts with getting great and outstanding results, right? And if you don't have any idea on how to detail and how to get your results from here to here, make sure you subscribe, because I can teach you step by step in this YouTube channel how to get your results up as a detailer, teach you what products to use, what tools to use, and all that good stuff. So make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and let's go ahead and knock out this wash, and I'll get to the third tip. Let's go. All right, so we're just about done with this Mercedes-Benz here. All we got to do is just move it a little forward and add some tire shine around the wheel. But we're going to go ahead and tell you guys the third tip. The main reason why you got into this video is because you want to know what it was that I learned, before starting my business, and, some things that I would change up if I were to kind of start from scratch, right? And one of those things is going to be buying tools and products, right? Now, you don't need the best of the best to get the best results, right? Now, all it comes down to is your skill set and how specific and meticulous you are with your detailing process, right? Now, you could use the basics of the basics from AutoZone or O'Reilly's and stuff like that, because that's what I did. You guys can check out the $500 shopping haul here, where I bought the vacuum and bought simple stuff that I needed to first get started with the detailing business. Now, like I said, you don't need the best of the best to get the best results, right? It's all about you and what you can do, right? Now, also entitled with this tip here is buy as you go, right? Buy as you go, and you grow and you make some more and you learn, and you're like, hey, maybe this can make me a little quicker. Just buy everything slowly. Don't just purchase everything at once, because just like tip number one, you need customers. If you don't have any customers for your business, then you can't really spend $3,000 and expect to make it back in a month if you don't have that clientele coming in, right? So it's better to spend $100 and make $3,000 than to spend $3,000 and make $100, right? So it's all about just making sure you're staying patient, because I see a lot of detailers are not patient, man. They all want to buy the best compressor, the best pressure washer, the best vacuum, the best this, the best that. They want to get everything all at once, and they think that that's going to make them a better detailer, when honestly, I started with a bucket, towels, and brushes, and I was doing my best work. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was just all about your skill set, all about how you approach things, how you could do it. Now, everything that I'm starting to buy now is just all about making me more efficient, right? Making my job more easier, more efficient, making me quicker, and making sure that I can get more cars and get more clients done in a day, right? Now, before, when I first started, it was never about numbers. It was never about, let me get 3-4 cars today. Nah, I was like, I'm gonna get 1 car today, and I'm gonna do the best that I can on that car, get pictures, get videos, get the review from the client, and just post it all over social media. And if you guys follow me now, you can see the amazing progress we've made since then. So it's all about stay patient, you guys. Stay patient, trust the process, and make sure you're going step by step, and you're not trying to skip from here to go up here. Like, it's just not gonna happen. All right, so YouTube, so I'm gonna just go ahead and end the video with this last and final tip. Now, I did say this was a 3-part series tip, but I'm gonna make it a 4th and bonus tip if you made it here to the end. So it's gonna be, you have to go through the struggle, you guys. You just have to, like, not only in life but your business, right? Like, before I got the van, before I got all this stuff that's in here, I started off with my car. So it was like me having to set everything up, right? I had to take everything out the vehicle, and I still do even with the van, because I don't have an efficient setup yet. But it's coming. So it's just all about progressing and evolving, and just making sure that you're moving step by step and you're not trying to skip stuff. So when I first started, I had to go through the struggle, I had to go through the struggle, So when I first started, I had to go through the struggle, and now when I bring people on board, I can relate to how they're detailing out there and what they're experiencing, right? Being under the sun and just not having a canopy, not having a cooler, not having certain products and stuff in the van, or not having everything you need, right? So it's just all about learning, and make sure that you learn and make progress, and better yourself after each lesson that you are taught. So with that being said, you have to go through the struggle, you guys. You just have to. So we're all done with this Mercedes-Benz here. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my day off. I got 3 more vehicles to go. About to be 11 o'clock, I believe. So hopefully finish on time. And honestly, bro, I've been tired of the last few days, and I kind of just been trying to focus more on the business side of things. That's why I haven't been on YouTube as much. But I do appreciate y'all for watching this video here. And yeah, more videos to come. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Hustle, never settle. Let's go.